How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can see your new cards in Anki. So first things first, you want to navigate through the deck that you want to see the new cards of. In my case, it's going to be this one. So let's just click on the browse option. And basically from here, we can filter out or search. To do that, it's going to be extremely simple. Just type something like is double dots, and then you want to press new. Hit on enter, and then this will filter out the newly created cards on our deck. Now, I believe you can add values if this is set to 1. This is basically the last 24 hours, so on and so forth. And that's how you basically view or see your new cards in Anki. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.